We are happy to present you this late Berlin 1979 Type 2b. We restored the bus at the cool VW, and this is the end result. We just finished it up. If you're looking for a very nice solid bus with a great interior, great paint, and everything works as it should, here it is. We started with a very good bus because we didn't do any welding on it. So all rockers, checking points, floors are all original dog legs to the bus. Clean interior, double batteries, so interested? Let us know. You know how to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.